Well, hello. Welcome to week 2 of Meet High School Speech and Language Therapy Online. I hope you guys are doing okay. I really am missing you. I'm going to take my glasses off just, you can see how horrible I look. Welcome to the pandemic, right? Um, well, we have a lot of stuff going on this week, and I hope you guys are able to keep up with everything. I know that there's a lot of homework that has been coming your way, and things are probably really strange around your place with being home so much and not coming back to school. And yeah, it's been weird. Look at that hair. Let's move that. Okay, anyway, I'm trying to find a place in my house where I can record these that my dogs won't bark and my husband won't come in and my grandkids won't come in. So I'm hoping you can hear everything. And just like last week, I am still learning how to use this technology. So I'm going to try to share my screen with you so you can see the vocabulary words that we're going to be covering. I hope you guys are well. I hope you're staying safe and that you're able to keep yourselves busy during this crazy time. I cannot wait to see you guys again. I actually miss school. So anyway, we'll be together again soon. But let me see if I can figure out how to share my screen so you can see the vocabulary words that we're going to be covering this week. Here come the glasses so I don't do the scrunchy thing. Let's see. Oh, share screen. Let's see what happens. I don't know what you're going to be seeing. Multiple, just advanced sharing options. Let's just see. Share screen. Oh, there's a whole bunch of things here. Let's see. Let's try this one first. Share. All right. Oh, you get to see a whole lot of stuff. All right. So I'm hoping you can see my mouse over on the left hand. Would that be this side of your screen? Probably this side of your screen. Anyway, I don't know. But lesson 2, here are our vocabulary words for the week. Discretion, dangerous, communication, chronological, government. All right, so let me go ahead and read these to you. I know that you guys can read, but just in case you can't see this very well on the screen. Number 1, you can use your discretion based on what sounds good to you to decide what you want for dinner. So discretion, what do you think that means? Using your discretion based on what sounds good to you to decide what you want for dinner. So I guess that means you get to choose whether you want to have ice cream or if you want to have something good for you. It's up to you to decide what you want for dinner. Okay, number 2, the rocky ledge was extremely dangerous to ride along, so Sela and Johnsy got off their bikes and slowly walked alongside of them to be safe. Okay, the rocky ledge was extremely dangerous. What do you think the word dangerous means? I'm sure that's just like super easy for you guys, but I guess it's okay that we throw an easy one in every once in a while, right? Okay, number 3. The invention of email and cell phones has allowed family and friends to stay in better communication with each other by making it easy to talk to each other. So what is communication? Number 4, when you line up historical events on a timeline, you want to make sure they're in chronological order so no one is confused about the sequence of events. So you want them to be in chronological order. What do you think that means, to have things in chronological order? Number 5, the government is a system that helps citizens stay organized and follow the law. What do you think the word government means? So here's your assignment. What you need to do is write the definitions of the words. You can type them in an email and send them to me. My school email address, rhonda.fisher, FISCHER, @mead354.org. Okay, so you're going to write the definitions. Tell me what they mean. And remember, don't use the word in your definition. Okay, let's see if we can find. Okay, now in the middle, there should be in the middle of your screen, digging for roots. Complete the exercise based on the original roots you've learned for each word. This will be interesting, won't it? Word parts often change the meaning of a word. Check out the following examples and then think of your own word with that same word part. Okay, so the vocabulary words discretion and communication both end in T-I-O-N. So that is a Middle English stem meaning the result of. So when you see T-I-O-N, it means the result of. For example, communication is the result of communicating. Think of two other words you know that end in T-I-O-N and write them in the email to me. It says to write them below, but write them in the email to me. They give you an example of starvation, which means the result of starving. So think of a word that ends in T-I-O-N and tell me what you think that is. Starvation, the result of starving. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I have just learned something really cool. Look at this. I can write on this. Stamp. What do I want to stamp? I'm going to put a little heart. Look at that. Oh, this is super cool. Okay, now eraser, erase. I erased it. Well, that is really awesome. Spotlight. What does that mean? Spotlight. Oh, huh. Okay, I'm learning something. Sorry, you guys. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let me get rid of that. And let me bring the last part. Okay, so dangerous ends in OUS. That's a suffix. And remember, a suffix comes at the end of a word, just like TION. We've talked about prefixes. They come at the beginning of a word, and a suffix comes at the end. So dangerous ends in OUS, a suffix that means full of. So for example, dangerous means full of danger. What other words do you know that end in OUS? Write them below. No, send them in an email along with the definitions. Then write words that have OUS and it'll change the word. So example, poisonous. Let me see if I can use my little annotations, if I can find them. Annotate. Let me put an arrow. Let me do it. Poisonous means full of poison. So you're going to write me two more words that end in OUS, the suffix OUS. Okay, and then also, this is a big lesson, you guys. It could take you all week, so just bite little chunks. I'm using the vocabulary words from this lesson, which were discretion, dangerous. Oh, I got to use my little stampy thing because, now I'm just putting arrows all over the place. Hold on. Oh my goodness, let me take that away. Move that. Bring that one to the forefront. Oh, look at those arrows are still there. Do you think I can get rid of them? Annotate, let's find eraser. So now I know those arrows just go on the screen wherever I have put them. Okay, so our vocabulary words for this week are, we're going to use little hearts. Discretion. Uh-oh, it's not letting me stamp. Oh, well, whatever. Discretion, dangerous, communication, chronological, and government. Okay, so using the vocabulary words from this lesson, I want you to try to find synonyms for each of these following words. So for example, the first one says threatening. Which one of these vocabulary words over here means the same thing as threaten? Is it discretion, dangerous, communication, chronological, or government? I'm going to say that it is discretion. So let's see if I can write text on this page. So what you'd do is you'd write threatening, and then you'll write, not discretion, threatening is dangerous. Oh, learned something new. I don't know how to make this text box bigger. There we go. Dangerous. Yep, that's it. So that's what you're going to do for this week. All right. So those are your vocabulary words. Send me your emails for discretion, dangerous, communication, chronological, government. All right. If you need to watch this video again, do it. And I will see you guys again soon. Take care. Let me see if I can stop my screen sharing. Stop screen sharing. There we go. Ooh, I'm awfully big on the screen right now. All right. I will see you guys again next week. I look forward to hearing from you. I miss you all. And hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.